We have closed one managed service deal from this. It's going to be about $28,000 a month. Plus we have another 6 figures in hardware and 6 figures in labor to come behind that as well with that same prospect. Hi, my name is Ivan Burkett and I am the Director of Information Technology at GB Tech. I've worked for GB Tech. We've been in business for 36 years. We have our tentacles in a couple of different areas, both our federal, state, and private sector. We have folks that deal with software, usually in the government sector. We have folks that are doing logistics works in the government sector, and then we have our managed IT division, which I'm in charge of. We've been a Cisco partner for probably about 15 years now. I don't know the exact date, but it's been about 15 years. Participation in the program has been great for us. We feel honored to be included in the program. We've received quite a few leads that we've been following up on and starting to get some traction with those leads. We're happy that they saw something in us where they felt they wanted to include us, and we're happy to deliver on their investment in us. For this program, I was aware they had partner programs, but I did not put a lot of stock in them because we were a smaller MSP. Usually vendors of that size or distributors of that size don't really put a whole lot of stock in MSPs of our size. And so, we were partners, but we didn't really do much with it because we didn't feel like they would be willing to invest in us. It's very valuable to have a vendor program because we want to work with folks and vendors that invest in us just like we invest in them. We don't want it to be a one-way street. We never ask for more than what we're putting in. And so we want vendors to see it that way as well. And so any vendor that decides to invest in us or have a partner program that's conducive to smaller businesses, we're very in favor of it. It's hugely valuable. We've had lots of leads come in. We've been getting traction on some of those leads. Since they're larger entities, the sales cycle is a bit longer than would be for a typical MSP engagement. But talking to folks that need updating of their Cisco infrastructure has been fruitful. But we have closed one managed service deal from this. It's going to be about $28,000 a month. Plus we have another 6 figures in hardware and 6 figures in labor to come behind that as well with that same prospect. GlassHive has helped us simplify our marketing and sales processes tremendously. So previously we had information in different places, whether it be ConnectWise or HubSpot or spreadsheets, but having that in one single pane of glass and getting someone trained on looking just in one place versus looking in 3 or 4 different places to find some information or something getting lost has simplified things easily. From a marketing standpoint, just having the sequence, setting up sequences and journeys and having all that stuff tracked in one place has been awesome for us. Our experience with the GlassHive training and support team has been fantastic. So whenever we have a new employee come on board, we always reach out for training, and they're always willing to help. Whenever we've had a question about something, the support team is Johnny on the spot. So we'll open up a chat in the application, and usually within 2 to 5 minutes we're online chatting with somebody. And if they can't get that figured out, then and there we'll set up a call and go through it in person or on the phone. And so I would say that their support has been better than most vendors and VARs that we work with, because you can talk to a real person relatively quickly and they know what they're talking about. So GlassHive has been much better than other sales and marketing tools we've used in the past. So we've used ConnectWise, their CRM portion, and we've used HubSpot. But setting up sequences and journeys and GlassHive has been much more simple, and also it's a lot more intuitive. And so, and that's the key component, because trying to train someone on something that's highly customized or something that's not very intuitive has been a nightmare in the past for us. But GlassHive makes everything very straightforward, and we haven't had any problems, and it's been a godsend. We will continue to use GlassHive after this Ingram Micro and Cisco program is over because of how much time and energy we've invested into tweaking the solution. On top of that, it's just a great solution. There's no reason to change away from it because we really like it, and it's proven to be successful for us.